Welcome to the ultimate cultural and lifestyle magnet of Southwestern Europe, a nation utilizing its multi-billion-dollar tourism infrastructure to support a highly transparent, fully legalized digital nomad residency framework. Looking out over the sweeping golden olive groves of Andalusia, it is easy to see why remote workers flock to this terrain. But beneath these dreamy, sun-drenched coastlines and slow-paced afternoon siestas lies a heavily micromanaged rental market and a strict local fiscal layer. The lifestyle is highly accessible, but Spain's legal entry framework is heavily regulated. It is deliberately constructed to filter out entry-level, budget-conscious travelers. This chart exposes the exact financial divide. While a standard local corporate position nets an average of 1,400 to 1,800 euros monthly, the 2026 Digital Nomad Visa mandates an active remote income from foreign companies equivalent to exactly 200% of Spain's minimum wage. That is 2,850 euros gross per month. That hard ceiling legally blocks junior freelancers who cannot prove sustained capital from entering the long-term system. Yet established high earners willingly navigate this bureaucracy to access one specific instrument: elite tax caps and the famous Beckham Law. Spain's Digital Nomad Visa is an elite financial and lifestyle optimization instrument. It requires a strict reality check before execution. Spain operates as a primary gateway into the highly structured Schengen area border network. For non-EU passport holders, securing long-term operational freedom requires clearing strict legal hurdles. Looking at the application matrix, the absolute baseline is formally proving active remote income of at least 2,850 euros. You must verify that figure with certified bank statements, provide a clean criminal record, and secure mandatory, self-funded private health insurance. Successfully passing this heavily micromanaged gate secures an initial 1-year entry clearance. That initial clearance easily converts into a 3-year renewable residence permit, securing absolute freedom of movement. This financial gatekeeping prioritizes established professionals who fully self-fund their safety nets, operating entirely independent of state aid. Once inside, you face a distinct choice between paying a premium for Tier 1 tech hubs or optimizing for maximum savings in secondary coastal havens. You can deploy into the dense historic and infrastructure cores of Madrid or Barcelona. The outcome is immediate proximity to massive, expanding international tech and startup ecosystems. The trade-off is overhead. Rent in these prime corporate sectors scales aggressively, hitting 1,500 euros or more a month, plus community fees. This matrix tracks the alternative. By targeting secondary cities like Valencia, Alicante, or Malaga, the cost for fully furnished flats drops to between 550 and 850 euros a month. But the supreme financial strategy for qualifying incoming tech builders is the special tax regime. By utilizing the digital nomad track, you can apply to cap your personal income tax on foreign-sourced earnings at a flat 24%. This wealth retention mechanism applies to gross earnings, scaling all the way up to 600,000 euros per year. Choosing Spain is an aggressive geographic arbitrage play. High earners secure a fraction of standard global rents, while legally shielding the majority of their income. Daily life here is governed by tight social proximity and noticeably late operational rhythms. Afternoon closures are standard, clearing the way for sharing slow-cooked tapas on vibrant open-air terraces that stretch past midnight. For remote workers, this late-night culture often clashes directly with standard U.S. corporate hours and synchronization requirements. In return, you gain immense physical safety. Solo creators can comfortably walk through historic plazas at 3 in the morning with absolute peace of mind. However, major urban hubs and metro lines handle relentless, highly opportunistic pickpocketing syndicates targeting crowds. Technical gear must stay secured. The climate forces adaptation as well. Coastal winters are mild, but summers are intensely hot. Southern hubs routinely breach 40 degrees Celsius, rendering urban blocks completely quiet in August. Integrating into Spanish life requires surrendering to its pacing. It demands hypervigilance in transit, flexible client synchronization, and deep respect for the intense summer heat. To decide if you should pursue this heavily micromanaged framework, we run the scenario match. This decision tree starts at the first fundamental legal node. Is your certified remote gross income strictly greater than 2,850 euros a month? If you rely on uncertified, fluctuating gig income, the bureaucratic friction will drain your resources. Route your focus toward Latin America or Southeast Asia. If yes, you reach the second strategic node. Are you optimizing purely for absolute budget arbitrage or for elite networking and tax caps? Tax and networking optimizers should route to Madrid or Barcelona to leverage the Beckham Law. Arbitrage optimizers maximize their yield by taking the standard digital Nomad visa down to Valencia or Alicante. This blueprint is dull for established tech builders and professionals who easily clear the thresholds to capture Western Europe's highest lifestyle return on investment. Spain demands absolute respect for its administrative systems, but clear those hurdles, and its Mediterranean strategic reality is unmatched. Next stop, Sri Lanka.